Unit 1 Mid-Unit Assessment. For all grids, each small square on the grid has an area of 1 square unit unless otherwise indicated. Question 1. Which parallelogram has an area of 60 square units? Question 2. Select all the triangles that have an area of 30 square units. Question 3. Select all the parallelograms that have an area of 16 square units. Question 4. On each triangle, draw a segment to represent the height that corresponds to the given base. Label each height with the word height. Question 5. Draw two distinct parallelograms, both with an area of 18 square units. The two parallelograms should not be identical copies of each other. Question 6. Find the area of the given figure. Explain your reasoning. Question 7. The figure is a diagram of a wall. Lengths are given in feet. How many square feet of wallpaper would be needed to cover the wall? Explain your reasoning.